I'm hot. Oh, okay. Anyway, before I get started, I'm Dancing Bubbles 42, and I'm a complete weirdo, total blonde, and yes, so that's me. And this is my new channel. I will have a bunch of videos coming up really soon, and like just videos of me, contests and all that wonderful stuff. So do not worry, this is going to be an awesome channel just because it's mine. I'm just kidding, I'm not like that. I'm pretty cool. Anyway, so how's it going? I see. Okay. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you'll enjoy the rest of them.